Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious and flavorful cauliflower steak. So for this recipe, I use paprika powder, thyme, coriander, oregano, almond flour, garlic powder, olive oil, cumin, and cauliflower. So we're starting with cutting the cauliflower. And the way you cut the cauliflower is very important for this dish. So you want to make sure to get rid of the leaves, but you want to keep the stem. So you should end up with a cauliflower which looks like this, with the stem still attached. So the part of the cauliflower that we'll be using for the recipe is a part which is attached to the stem. I was able to get 3 slices out of this cauliflower, and here you can see how it looks like. So you can see that the stem is still attached, and this is how thick it is. It's about 2 centimeters, which is about 0.80 inches. To make the rub, combine all the dry ingredients in a bowl. At this time, you can taste and see if you like how it tastes and adjust the spices according to your personal taste. So back to the cauliflower. Here I have 2 slices in a lined baking dish. Drizzle olive oil over the cauliflower and use your hands or a brush like I'm doing here to make sure that the surface is well oiled. Here I'm adding the spice mix, and you can be very generous with it. Cauliflower doesn't have that much taste of itself, and that's why I love it, but it also means that you can be generous with the spices that you add to it. Add some more olive oil and spices. Turn it around and repeat the steps. Then bake it in a preheated oven of 200 Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, a nice, thick and spicy cauliflower steak. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.